Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Waking up here on a windy start. You can see here's a look at the flag with those northwest winds gusting close to 40 miles per hour this morning. Probably waking up and hearing that wind. Winds sustained between about 25 and 30, but again, we've had gusts higher than that. Lower 40s right now for your temperature, but the wind chill is at 32 degrees. Now, current conditions statewide, starting off with some cloud cover out there, but the wind is going to be the main factor for today and the much cooler air that will arrive. Again, latest wind gusts this morning, 39 in Ames, 41 in Lamoni, 35 in Algona. We've had gusts higher than this, and we could see gusts up to around 50 miles per hour this afternoon. So we do have a wind advisory that will be in effect through 6 o'clock this evening. So clouds to start. We should see that sun coming out during the morning through the midday. So you definitely need the sunglasses later this afternoon, but also the jacket too. You factor in that wind with the temperature. We're only going to feel in like we're in the mid 40s this afternoon. Again, our highs will probably be between about 50 and 52. The wind will start to lighten up overnight, but it will remain on the breezy side, gust about 20 to 25. Now, Futurecast again for this morning takes the rain out of here. It'll move on east, and the clouds as well. We'll get gradual clearing from west to east. There's your midday temperatures in the 40s, ending up only in the lower 50s for today. Tonight, the breeze will continue through tomorrow, but one change versus today and tomorrow, we'll have a bit of a warm up. We'll start off in the 40s tomorrow morning, but as we get to the afternoon, I think our temperatures will make it into the mid 60s. So a couple of warmer days here tomorrow and on Thursday, and then the big change arrives. Look at that Friday, probably going to see the chance for a little precipitation coming in, some rainfall, 42 only for the temperature. Friday night we dip down to about 28, wake it up on Saturday morning, so definitely going to have some freezing temperatures there over the weekend. 49 on Sunday. Beggars night looking dry though, a little cool though, but we'll stay dry into Halloween with a high near 50 degrees.